Kenzo fucking Balla. Op Huntin. Yo, Kenzo. If I don't like the song, don't do a BMG to me. Word. Nah, that's all I've been hearing about. BMG and this nigga get into it. It's crazy. But y'all show some love. Y'all know I fuck with Kenzo Balla heavy. Y'all know he's easily top, like, 3 underrated. Like, he's in my top 7 Bronx rappers, easily. But y'all show some love. Do what y'all do. 2 minutes, 40 seconds. I didn't know he was dropping this shit. But I seen this shit. I said I'm gonna react to this shit. Word. Show some love. Do what y'all do. More videos come soon. You keep watching because I'm gonna keep dropping this game to it.
Like what?
Hold on. No, I know this song. This that JB shit. Oh shit, we tough, bro. Lock in. Lock in, nigga. We lock in. Lock in. Hold on. I'm locked in, nigga.
Every other shot, everything's dead. Naughty poppin', poking my head, talking Charlie, all of my slip. Say, move, this shit got it kicked and I mixed it with eat, I know a nigga lit. All the followers go swim through the mix if I catch little winter, I'm being that bitch.
That's crazy.
Like she wanted this fucking on 50 to 7.
I know this shit. It's that fucking, hold on, man. We got, look. Sign. I looked if I reacted. I should identify JB, Kenzo B. Fuck, that shit don't even pop me up. I'm about to tear up. It don't even pop me up. But it's some shit like that. I can't remember what exactly what it is, but it's some shit like that. Let's get back in. My bad. I'm trying to show y'all niggas. I know I heard it song.
Kenzo Polo who bigger than me, I'ma spin through the A tryna dump on the G. I'm in B, I can get super C's, I can just line him up and knock him off his feet. Late nights on the hill, I'm tryna creep. If I catch little DD, put him right to sleep. Hop up the feet, put the beat to his beat, tryna catch me a O and knock him off the seat. On the hill.
Yo, this shit too tough, bro. I heard this shit already. Like, fuck, man. I didn't know this was a fucking real song. I thought the dude, JB, I thought it was just like an edited little.
Kenzo Polo who bigger than me, I'ma spin through the A tryna dump on the G. I'm in B, I can get super C's, I can just line him up and knock him off his feet. Late nights on the hill, I'm tryna creep. If I catch little DD, put him right to sleep. Hop up the feet, put the beat to his beat, tryna catch me a O and knock him off the seat. On the hill, where they at, bitch, I'm looking for O's, they looking for Max. Go get your hit, let it cop like 14 died. Get back like niggas keep dissing and making these tracks, but they never put on, that's a fact. The fuck is a duty, Lord, that nigga whack. If I catch little D, I'll leave him where he at like naughty poppin', poking my head, smoking Charlie, all of my slip. Say, Lou, this shit got it.
Oh my fucking god, yo, this shit too tough, bro. Oh my gosh, man. Fuck, I wish I ain't react to this shit already, man. Fuck. Now this shit a W, but I would. Man.
They cop like 14 died. Get back like niggas keep dissing and making these tracks, but they never put on, that's a fact. The fuck is a duty, Lord, that nigga whack. If I catch little D, I'll leave him where he at like naughty poppin', poking my head, smoking Charlie, all of my slip. Say, Lou, this shit got it kicked and I mixed it with eat, I know a nigga lit. Pull a follow, so spit through the mix. If I catch little winter, I'm being that bitch. Like she wasn't just fucking on 50 to 7, little bitch that stayed out the mix. And she smoking the bush, she shot. Bitches rapping what they really not. How the fuck she talking on the Fox when bro made a hop and cap and beat the ball? Like dirty bitch, she talking on the wax to the real right bullet, knock her out of sight. Still taking trades, that little bitches pop. Ain't nobody believing it stop. I'ma hop up with the beat to the top. Tryna leave a gunner on the page. And there ain't nobody on the 8, so we took a trip and spun right through the hay. On that shoes, knock off his braids. I'm smoking on Naughty and Lottie and Kane. Paulie B when we try to let it frame like we tryna put a hollow through his brain like rah-rah beans, yellow dummy. All of them niggas got rap like a mummy. Nick, Lilo, Ray,
Oh my fucking gosh, yo, this shit too tough.
braids. I'm smoking on Naughty and Lottie and Kane. Paulie B when we try to let it frame like
First off, rest in peace, everybody's name. I'm not smiling like, oh shit, on some like, oh shit, it's cool, but this shit tough. And look at NB, yo, that hoodie.
Tryna put a hollow through his brain like rah-rah beans, yellow dummy. All of them niggas got rap like a mummy. Nick, Lilo, Ray, Dubsky. 2 of them niggas got hair in they tummy. Wayne, Maxie, AJ, Bustin'. So many niggas got hair in they muffin. And these niggas still ain't doing nothing. He tryna push up on me so I punched him. AOTG, let's stop, we gon' hop up the stove, he throw him more than 9. And these niggas not spending the 5. I'm not gon' say it again, niggas lying. People up and tryna leave him 5. He tryna run, got hit up in his spine. Kenzo bullet a demon on time. I'ma spin through this scene with the cleats, do him slime like.
That shit too tough, man. What the fuck? Yo, I gotta add this to my playlist.
Like, what the fuck? Like, everything's dead. Naughty poppin', both of my head. Smoking Charlie, all of my slip. Say, boom, this shit got it kicked and I mixed it with eat, I know a nigga lit. Pull up, let's go spin through the mix. If I catch little winter, I'm being that bitch. Like she wasn't just fucking on 50 to 7, little bitch that stayed out the mix.
First off, easily 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. I already heard this shit. 10 out of fucking 10. That's why I was trying to show y'all. Fuck, man. I wish I didn't react. I wish I could really sit and get y'all about it. What's that shit at? If you don't know, if you do not know what I'm talking about, you probably like, what the fuck is he talking about? You probably think I'm tripping right now, but I'm not. Hold on. I gotta show you some shit. What the fuck is this song at? Hold on. Chill out. I'm gonna find it real quick. Fuck. I know you thinking like, what the fuck this nigga doing? Hold on, I'm trying to find some shit for y'all. Damn, bro, this what happened I react to. Like, fuck, I react to so many fucking videos, I be losing shit. That might have been a while ago. Hold on. What was it? When the fuck did I react to that shit? Fuck, man, I don't know when I reacted to that shit, but I reacted to that. I know there's an account. There's an account called JB. He posts like songs with it, and I thought he did it. Like it said his beats are like, oh shit. It's just like you know, some people get a song and then they'll change the beat and put a different beat on the song and make it like a different song. You know what I mean? That's what I thought it was. I didn't know it was the same. I didn't know it was a fucking real unreleased song. But 10 out of 10 easily. Y'all show some love. Do what y'all do. More videos come soon. I fought this on heavy. And I'm happy he dropped this shit. I gotta see what Kenzo. I'm trying to see what BMG, if he gonna react to this shit. I'm trying to see that shit. Work. But this shit's a tough ass song. I fought this shit heavy. Y'all show some love. Do what y'all do. More videos come soon. My apologies. If you don't know and if you didn't watch that reaction, you probably lost and you probably don't know. You probably don't know what I'm talking about. But if you watched it, then you know what I'm talking about. But y'all show some love. Do what y'all do. More videos come soon. This is a 10 out of 10. I want you to tell me what it is, though.